Good afternoon. It's tea time, number 36. Before we steep our tea and hopefully enjoy it, let's boil some water. As our water boils, let's talk about today's tea. Today's tea will be green tea with coconut by Harney Sons. It's a green tea. It states here, green tea with a Thai twist. And there are 20 sachets to the tin. Let's read this tea's description. Character: a refreshing taste of Thailand with fragrant coconut and vanilla. Let's read this tea's brewing instructions. Use 1 sachet for 2 cups of tea. Pour less than boiling water, 175 Fahrenheit, over the sachet. Infuse for 3 minutes. Remove the sachet. We have just under boiling water here. I'm going to take the temperature of this water, make sure it's not sick. But in all seriousness, we will make sure this water is at the correct temperature before we steep our tea. Our thermometer has indicated a temperature of under 175, around 170 I have it now. Let's steep this tea. Smells really cool. And give this tea recommended, it was 3 minutes, right? I'll double check. Our 3 minutes of steep time has been reached. Let's try this tea and see how it tastes. Excellent. Excellent tea here. Right as I had this tea, I immediately said to myself, I have to get back into green teas. This clearness in green tea in general is so refreshing and such a difference than the recent fermented teas that I've been having. And it's the perfect temperature right now. A lot of things are going right with this tea. I have to say though, as I had with Harney Sons ginger tea, it's just the green box, just ginger. It does have a slight chalky aftertaste, kind of a dry, weird, pasty kind of aftertaste. It's not that much of a turnoff in this tea in particular, but it's definitely there. It exists, so be aware of that. Also want to mention the vanilla smell of this tea, I think, can also be a turnoff to some. I had some issues with Tea Forte's vanilla teas recently, or teas that have vanilla in them, because they kind of smell like perfume. This tea, smell-wise, has similar qualities, but I have to tell you, the vanilla taste in this tea is superb. I have to say, I do wish, as usual with any kind of tea, that the green of this tea dominated more so than the vanilla. I don't think the vanilla is quite at 50% of the entire tea that I'm tasting, but it's close. And I'd rather the vanilla be closer to maybe 20% or even 15%. I could imagine for sure, even though it's not my preference, to have some sugar or some honey and some milk with this tea, or even lemon. I think there are so many possibilities with this tea. It's the first tea I've had in a while where I think it's pretty much, it's good to go any time of day, any mood, any pace that you're at. This tea is right there, will keep up with you. Let me take some more sips, give this tea a rating. I'm a big fan, though. I can't stop sipping this tea, man. This tea gets a 9.4. I think that's just right. Great qualities to this tea. Plain, yet sophisticated. Soft, yet full-bodied. It's such a nice balance of tea. Is it the highest rated Harney Sons tea I've had so far? Maybe. But regardless, I recommend this. Hope you try it. And that's a review. Thanks so much for being here. I truly enjoy your virtual company. And say hello if you see me on the street or on Twitter or on, what am I on now? YouTube, Instagram. And yeah, cheers.